Hey everybody, if you have the Remarkable 2 tablet and you're looking to extend the lifespan of the Remarkable 2 pen, then you definitely want to consider this set of Remarkable 2 pen tips. Now I know it's super small, but we're going to give you a close-up of what is in here and what it's going to do for your tablet and pen in just a second, but this is perfect for that situation. So this is a 10-piece set of pen tips for the Remarkable 2. It's designed specifically for that Remarkable 2 marker and Marker Plus. It is wear resistant and it's made of fiber felt, so it's not too soft, not too hard, and it's going to effectively improve the wear resistance of that pen tip, which is going to prolong its service life. Now, the other important thing when you're dealing with a tablet and this particular pen is that you have accurate writing. And this is going to keep those pen tips accurate and sensitive to how you use your hand. That's why these are specifically designed for the Remarkable 2 marker and Marker Plus. So once you're actually making notes on your tablet, it's going to feel just as fluid as the original marker tip that this came with. Also, you're looking at easy installation and removal. That's because in this particular set, it comes with a special design tool that makes the replacement work easily. All you have to do is take that silver-colored device that looks like a pincher, and you just pinch the very tip of the pen and you pull out the tip, and you do the same to actually replace the ones that you're putting in there. And keep in mind that for these pen tips, it is recommended that you change the pen tip out after anywhere from 1 month to 2 months. And that is also going to make sure that you get the best use of the tablet and the pen as well. So overall, 2 thumbs up for these pen tips. It's always good to look at solid accessories when you purchase a fairly expensive item like the Remarkable 2 tablet. You want to make sure that you're able to continue the use of the tablet or the pen without having to replace the pen itself. And that's what these pen tips allow you to do. Hope this helps, and thanks for watching.